Welcome back, everyone. I'm gonna start doing some disassembly on this tractor. Gonna go and pull the hood off, see how stuff looks like underneath here. If you guys are wondering when this video is taking place, it's 14th of May, and work's been really busy. It's been busy the whole time, all spring here. Well, I guess when I say busy, I mean typical for what I do. I don't want to come out. Oh, missed one. I got a little warm up in here. The seal's cooked out of there. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. Oh yeah, burned her right out of it. Curious to see if anything got in the turbo and whatnot. Mac, what are you doing? Mac got a little bit of a haircut. He's got to get touched up some more, but he had a lot of cockleburrs and stuff in him already. You like to run around in the grove, don't you? Huh? You like the grove? Huh? Should be able to get it now. I got a vice grip on there. There we go. Somebody put a bunch of nuts on these things. Stack came off easy. Oh, I forgot another one. Turbo still spins. Might be about all I can get done in the setting daylight today for you guys. What do you guys think? Think this thing would start? I know you can't see it, but turbo spins. Everything's a little melty on here. There's obviously no coolant in it. No belts or anything hooked up. Well, definitely isn't going to start with this line. What do you think? I think if I get a starter in here, that this thing might start. It's got oil in it. It's pretty black, but it's oil. What do you guys think? Think there's a chance for this one to run? I think that's all I'm gonna get done today. Tune in next time to see if we can get this a little more tore down. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care and God bless. You wanna run them?